Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Kadak Dhanashree. Today we will discuss second derivative test for local extreme values. Last lecture we discussed first derivative test for local extreme values and critical points. This is sufficient conditions for extreme values. Let us see. Suppose that the function f of xy and its first and second order partial derivatives are continuous throughout a neighborhood of open interval ab, and partial derivative with respect to x at point ab is equal to 0, partial derivative with respect to y at point ab is equal to 0. If fxx at point ab is equal to a, suppose consider a is equal to fxx at point ab, b is equal to fxy at point ab, c is equal to fyy at point ab, and d is equal to ac minus b square. First, f has a local maximum value at point ab if a less than 0 and ac minus b square greater than 0. Second, f has local minimum at point AB if a greater than 0 and AC minus b square greater than 0. F has a saddle point at point AB if AC minus b square less than 0. The test is inconclusive at point AB if AC minus b square is equal to 0. Let us see example based on second derivative test for local extreme values. Example, find the local extreme values of the function f of xy is equal to xy minus x square minus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 4. Here f is defined and differentiable for all open interval xy, and its domain has no boundary points. The function has extreme values only at the points where fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0. Partial derivative with respect to x. When taking derivative with respect to x as a treat y constant, so derivative of x with respect to x, so derivative of xy is y, derivative of x is 1 and y as a constant minus derivative of x square is 2x minus y square, this is constants, the derivative of constant function is 0 minus 2 as it is, derivative of x is 1 minus 2y, this is constant, so derivative of constant is 0. So fx is y minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So y minus 2x minus 2 going to right hand side. So we get y minus 2x is equal to 2. Next, taking derivative with respect to y as a treat x constant. So derivative of y is 1, x as it is because constant. Derivative of x square is 0 because constant. Derivative of y square is minus 2y. There is no y, so this is constant, so derivative of constant function is 0. Derivative of minus 2y minus the derivative of y square is minus 2y, and derivative of minus 2y is minus 2. Derivative of 4 is 0 because constant function. Fy is equal to 0, partial derivative with respect to x with respect to y is equal to 0. We get x minus 2y is equal to 2. First and second solving, then we get value of x is minus 2, y is minus 2. So this is critical points. So open interval minus 2 to is only critical points. Next, second derivative test. Again taking derivative of fx with respect to x, that is taking derivative of fx with respect to x. So there is no x. So derivative of y is 0. Derivative of minus 2x minus 2. Derivative of minus 2 is 0. Means fx x is equal to minus 2. Again taking derivative of y, derivative of fy with respect to y. So there is no y. So derivative of x is 0. Derivative of minus 2y is minus 2. Derivative of minus 2 is 0. So fyy is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2. B is equal to minus 2. Again taking derivative of fx with respect to y. Taking derivative of fx with respect to y. So derivative of y is 1. There is no y. This is constant. So the constant function is 0. Derivative of constant function 0. So b is equal to 1. Next d is equal to ac minus b square. A is minus 2. C is minus 2. Minus b is 1. Evaluate. We get value of d is equal to 3. So a is less than 0. And b is greater than 0. A is less than 0 and d is greater than 0. So f has a local maximum value at point AB. So f has a local maximum at point minus 2, minus 2. Next, maximum value of f at this point is f of minus 2 is 8. That is, the given function f of xy is equal to xy minus x square minus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 4. Put value x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 in this function. Evaluate. We get value of f of minus 2 is 8. Thank you.